The ZT-0470, a Dmitry Zinkovich design. 7.8 inches in overall length, it weighs 3.2 ounces. The 0470 operates on KBT ball bearings with a flipper tab. With bead-blasted titanium handle scales, the front features a marbled carbon fiber insert, and the backspacer is a black anodized aluminum. The 3.4-inch blade is made of ultra-premium CPM 20CV steel. It features a reversible tip-up pocket clip. The blade is held securely open by a titanium frame lock with hardened steel LOCKBAR insert. The pattern in the marbled carbon fiber insert is unique to each 470 produced.